All right, let's talk about while loops. Now, while loops, a good way to remember them is they're basically if statements that check if a condition is true, and if so, they will keep executing code over and over. They also have the potential to be infinite, unlike if statements. So let's create a program that will prompt the user to enter a password, but if they don't get it right, they will be infinitely prompted until they enter the correct value. So let's create a string named password. Let's just declare it. Won't assign it a value just yet. Fix our indentation here. And we'll create a while loop. Now our condition is if password is not equal to a certain value. So we'll do password. We'll use our not operator that we learned from the last lesson. And we'll say not equal to, let's say, pizza. So what this saying is while password is not equal to pizza, execute this block of code. And we want to prompt the user to enter the password so that they can break out of the loop. So we'll do cout enter the password. And then we'll do a console input password. And now we want to say something for them if they do get it right. We'll say outside of the loop, we'll put cout welcome. All right, let's run this code and let's see what happens. Enter the password, cheeseburger. Enter the password. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Rome, Italy. I'm getting warmer, I think. Pizza. Welcome. So yeah, basically what this does is check if a condition is true, then run this piece of code over and over until it's not true. Now you want to be careful with while loops because you can get yourself into an infinite loop if there's no way to break out of it. So let's say instead of this password verification thing, let's just say while 1 is equal to 1, there's nothing we can do about this condition. 1 will always be equal to 1 because 1 is 1 itself. And then we'll see out some funny message like, I'm trapped. And then let's run this code and see what happens. I'm trapped. So yeah, you want to make sure that you have a way to break out of the while loop or else you're going to get stuck in an infinite loop, which 9 times out of 10 you don't want to happen unless you're making some troll code.